Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to create a Fiverr gig on mobile app. First, open the Fiverr app on your mobile phone. Sign in to your Fiverr account using your email, Google, or Facebook login. After you are signed in, you will notice that you cannot directly create a gig from the mobile app. To become a seller, you need to access the desktop version of Fiverr using your phone. Inside the Fiverr app, open any section such as news or services. Then look at the top left corner and tap on the three-line menu icon. From the menu, select the option called Become a Seller. When you tap this option, Fiverr will ask you to switch to the desktop version. Now look at the top right corner of your screen and tap on the three dots. Select the option that says Open in Browser. Once the page opens in your browser, switch to Desktop View for a better experience. Now tap on the Create a Gig button to start the process. The first page is the Overview section. Here, enter your gig title using clear and simple words. Choose the correct category and subcategory for your service. Select the service type and fill in the gig metadata if available. Add relevant tags that describe your service. After this, tap on Save and Continue. On the next page, you will set your pricing. Fiverr will ask you to create 3 packages called Basic, Standard, and Premium. For each package, enter a name, a short description, the delivery time, and the price. When done, continue to the next step. Now you will see the description section. Write a detailed description of at least 120 words explaining your service. After that, continue to the requirements section. Here, add questions or information you need from buyers to start the work. Next is the gallery section. Upload photos, videos, or documents that show your previous work. Finally, review everything and publish your gig. Thanks for watching.